So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice Excel sheet and it's all about if function with and or and not. How we can use and more about that. We will also learn to make chart with AI in this video. So guys, without getting late, let's get started today's video. So first of all, as in my earlier video I have already shared some function related if, nested if, and today we are going to learn if with and or. So as this is a table, I have converted it in table. To convert it in table, you just have to press Ctrl T and OK. It will be converted in table. Okay. So right now, what do you have to do? Just apply a function. What we have to calculate, like if anyone has, why we use, first of all we have to know that why we should use and function with if, and why should we use or function with if. Okay guys, so we use and with if there will be two conditions in a formula, that like if the age will be greater than 40, greater than 50, and this is one condition, the age should be greater than 50, and the second condition is the outcome should be pass. Outcome is equal to pass. If both condition will be true, means it is both are true in the table, then it will show the result. And if there will be one true and one false, then it will not work. Okay, then we, in that case, if one function is true and other is not meeting, means that is not true, then we should use or. When there will be one condition meet, then we should use or, and when both condition will be true, then we should use if with and. Let's we are going to practice here, like is equal to if, and here it is showing, we just have to click here. Then as it is showing if, and asking logical test, value if true, value if false. There are two conditions. So with if we are going to learn and function, so just try to write a and t. We have two conditions, age greater than 50, outcome should be pass, then only it will work, otherwise it will not give result. Okay, so and if within bracket, and again open bracket, and logical one, means what is the first logic, first function and first condition. Then our first condition is what, that age should be greater than 50. Then in which table, in which column the age function is available, so it is here in B column. So we have to select B and just try to put greater than, and then what should be age, then 50, greater than 50, then we have to write manually 50, and this is my first condition. Okay, then we should put here comma, and then logical 2, here is asking, are you watching guys? Here after completing, here is watching, logical 2. Then what is the logic 2? So it should be outcome pass. Then in which column outcome is available? So here in C, so here just click this C, and then is equal to, what is the condition? Outcome should be equal to pass. Then put it here equal to and write manually as it is text. And keep in your mind that always we should use text function within bracket, not bracket, which is quoted. We should use text function with quote, double quote. Okay, so just write double quote PASS pass, and then double quote pass. Okay, and then bracket again. So value, this is a condition, both condition we have applied. Now comma, value if true, and then for false we should always use 0. Then put it 0, close the bracket, and function is ready. Just keep enter. But we have applied here, we don't apply here because here there is no any table available. That is the reason it is showing 0. We should control X and put here in control V. I have copy and pasted here. Okay, and just what you have to do, just drag it. Yeah, both function is working, showing here. So is there any kind of thing? Nothing, all are good. And we, for one bracket we have closed one bracket, for another bracket we have closed the second bracket. There is all good. Yeah, all good here showing. So right now what should we do? Just press enter and show the result. Is it working or not? Is there anything wrong? False. Why it is showing false? Because not meeting. The condition is not meeting. Okay, I have mistaken here that. What is the mistake, guys? Keep in your mind that after meeting the condition, if the both condition will be true, then what should we do? If the both condition will be true, then we should give him 1000 bonus. Okay, so write here 1000 bonus, 1000 bonus, comma, other will get 0. If false, they will get 0. Okay, so right now enter. Yeah, this is working. After clicking double, it is showing, guys. Means if the both condition is fulfilling in single row, means here is Sushma. Then Sushma age. Age is 56. And what are the condition? If age greater than 50, then here is my age is greater than 50, and the outcome is pass, and outcome is pass. Okay, so outcomes is pass, means both condition is meeting, then he or she will get 1000. Yeah, here is the condition 1000. And who is not fulfilling the condition? Here it is pass. Atich is also pass 50, but here we have written greater than 50. Are you watching, guys? Understanding? Here is greater than 50 and here is written 50 only, means it is equal to 50, but it will not work. If there will be 51, then it will be started working, but as it is equal to 50, so it will not work. And here it is 48, that is less than 50, and pass not meeting one is pass is fulfilling the condition, but second condition is not fulfilling. That is the reason it is showing here 0. And here is A. In A, more than 50 age, and outcome also pass. So both condition is fulfilling here. So here he is getting 1000 bonus. So that's how it works. If function with and, when both condition are fulfilling, are true and meeting together in one rows, then it will work. Any one person will get 1000, and otherwise if the function is not fulfilling, not meeting any condition, both of one, then if one of any one of both or any of the column is not fulfilling, the true both condition is not fulfilling, then it will the person will get zero bonus. Okay, means nothing. And second condition we are going to learn here. Here we have learned if with and, if with a and d, if and right now we are going to learn if with or, if plus or. Okay, and how it will work. Like the age should be greater than 50 and outcomes should be pass. But if any person fulfilling one of them, one of both condition, means either this one or this one, if anyone is fulfilling any one of the condition, then he will be eligible to get bonus 1000. Okay, and if the person not fulfilling both of any of these condition, then it will not be eligible to get bonus, and then it will get on that condition zero. So how it will work, right, is equal to if, okay, in within bracket logical test we should apply age. Here age is 56, and what should be age, it should be greater than 50. Okay, and comma logical test 1 we have applied, and value if true, if value should be true, if, but I have to apply logical test 2. But with here we have written only if, and we are going to learn if with or, so we should write here or, within bracket just write or, and it will start working. So here is logical 1, and if when you start writing or, it will giving you, it will be showing here logical 2. What is the logical 2? Then logical 2 is outcome is equal to pass, either this one or this one. If any one of both is going to fulfilling, then it will be eligible for getting the bonus, other person will not get anything. Okay, this is the condition of or function. So I have applied one logical, and the second logical is outcome is equal to pass. And keep in your mind that when we write text, it should be double quoted. Okay, then just press double quote. So just double quote here. Okay, and here we have done with our second condition. Right now comma, there is nothing logical 3, we have to close the bracket. Okay, close the bracket, and value if true, if both value is true or either one, this one if will be true, then he will be get eligible of, if any one of the formula will be a condition will be true to any person, then he will get 1000. Okay, and other will get nothing, then 0, and close the bracket. And for this bracket there is bracket closed, fill this your open bracket, here is the second bracket closed, so we don't have to apply it more than this, any closed, just press enter, and here it is showing guys, and just double click here, it will be showing, it will work for, here it is watching guys, the result. Here are you watching the result, that here age should is also, and both condition is fulfilling, so it is eligible for 1000. Here also both condition, then 1000. Here is not greater than 48, but his outcome is passed. One condition is fulfilling, he is eligible for 1000. Here is 35, not greater than 50 and not pass. Don't, both conditions are not fulfilling, that is the reason he is getting 0. Okay, so that's how if with and if with or function works. For today it is enough, and in next video we will learn chart with AI, how it works. Chart with AI, it is very useful in your journey, guys. So keep learning, keep signing. Till then, keep practicing what I have practiced today with you. It will be very helpful, because if function, it is necessary, any kind of function to grow to any company, work with any company. So guys, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep watching my earlier videos related Power BI. I have already shared and started my journey from scratch. If you are the beginner, go watch and keep learning, keep signing in your journey. Thank you. And one more thing, if you are interested to learn English, then you can start zero with hero. As right now I'm speaking in English, because I am also practicing while learning Excel. So somehow it helps me that I can practice English while learning Excel. That is the reason I keep speaking in English. So don't mind if you are not understanding, because it's a simple English. You can understand easily, and it will be helpful in your English learning journey if you are interested. So thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video.